Good morning, class 11. Myself Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, welcoming you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary, Bethian. Dear students, we just completed present continuous tense yesterday, and now this is the turn of present perfect tense that we have to start and complete today. Dear students, as it appears from the name itself that this is only one tense out of present tense where the action seems to be completed. Students, here any action started earlier is fully completed at the time of speaking. That's why this is known as present perfect tense. The structures, therefore, for positive sentences, subject plus has or have plus V3. He has gone out, they have gone out. Students, has is generally used with third person singular number where he, she, it and any singular name whether dead or living, and rest of the subjects, rest of the nouns which are generally plural take have with them. Students, now this is the turn of negative sentences of present perfect tense. Subject plus has or have plus not plus V3. He has not gone out, they have not gone out. Dear students, one thing I would like to remind you and make you aware, if we use no in place of not in such subjects, verb 3 is not used. There, noun or any other parts of a speech, suitable parts of a speech may be used. As for example, I am giving you, she has no money, she has no courage, he has no power, they have no rest and peace in their life. So, this is the time that you have to keep in your mind. Now, interrogative sentences, has or have plus subject plus V3. Has he read it? Have you read it? When the sentence is just used as a part of present perfect tense, has or have should be made clear and it should be used clear in our life. Now we should move towards some special usage of present perfect tense. The first one is that if we have to denote any action which is completed, this tense is used. She has done her cooking. The next special use is that to express past action without any specific time. If there is no mentioning of time, no description of time, this tense may be used. I have never seen her angry. The last one is that to express an action that began in the past and continues up to the present moment. Here one modification is needed that you are bound to use for or since. He has lived here for 2 years. It means he is still here. Raman has smoked 5 cigarettes since morning. So the third is exceptional, but it should be kept in mind that if any action started and began in the past tense and it is still in continuation mode, we should keep this tense in use. Students, now it is the turn of fourth and last subgroup of present perfect continuous tense. This tense is generally outdated and it is not used in our daily life, but it is an integral part. That's why you should note the structures, different structures and some special usage if any. The structures for positive subject plus has or have plus before plus since or for plus object. For negative one, subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus before plus since or other words for